Hello everybody, it's your boy Runaway at Rouser here with a brand new video. So if you've been caught up with anything on my channel, you know that I've been primarily posting about GTU or ThomToys Universe. Recently the game has had an update in which we now have both recently the game got an update to which we now have some new engines and some new locations. But with it, I'm not sure. Hold on, does it hear here real quick? Goddamn, if I can just make my way over to here. Yeah, here we have brand new badges and also some new engines as well, But we don't give a fuck about those. Where I'm going to give more of a fuck about are all of these new engines here. 1020, the Half engine, Killdane Experiment, Slender engine, Timothy the Ghost engine, Tulip Mark 1, and Roy Thomas. What this video is supposed to do is kind of like serve as a guide in order to find all these engines. Ooh, the shed door's open now. Nice. But anyways, let's get started. So the first engine I'm going to try and find right now is going to be the Killdane Experiment engine, since I think that one is going to be one of the hardest badges to do. So I want to get that out the way as soon as possible. So, yeah. Good news is, since I purposely chose to wait a bit to let other people find the badges first, I know where most of the needed badges are. So let's just do that real quick. The first location where we want to start off at is wrong one. The first location we want to start out is Naprached. Do you know where is that? The one that we get to see in the early seasons. It should be around this area. Ooh, hold on. Let me do something smart as well, real quick. So for the Killdane Experiment, they made it that way. For the Killdane Experiment, they made it that way. They made it that way. Some of the parts actually glow in the dark. So if we just turn this down, coordinates ditch. It should be around somewhere, I think. Let's just directly in here. No? Huh. Well, fuck. Let's see. Alright, well, I'll come back here later. I know there was another location that spawned in. Few more exact, the KTC shed. Oh yeah, here it is. Okay, so it has this type of outline. That's one part. The next up is going to be Croc Scrapyard. So we go to random, Croc Scrapyard. Oh. Yeah, you know what's funny? When I first heard about this announcement, I knew for a fact that one of the parts here, was going to be here. But anyways, that's two. That's Croc Scrapyard. Let's see. So, alright, the next one is going to be down at the Suttery Wharf. We're actually already right by Suttery, so I'm just going to run my way down there. And pray I don't fall on an unbreak part of the map. Yeah. Anyways, so apparently somewhere down here, Suttery Wharf. Oh, there it is. We had a side rod, I think, earlier at the smoke box. This is, what's this? The piece of the cab, I want to say. I don't know. So that's... Now we have another one over at Old Tidmouth. I always just know it's somewhere at Old Tidmouth. For the list I got, it doesn't specify where at Old Tidmouth. It just says Old Tidmouth. I'm going to assume it's probably the station. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh yeah, okay, over here. This is the buffer beam. Alright. So that's Kronk Scrapyard. Kronk Scrapyard. Kronk Shed. Surgery Wharf. Oh, Tidmouth. There is apparently, there is definitely one at Gordon's Ditch. Yeah, there's one at Gordon's Ditch somewhere around here. Oh. Oh my fucking god, I am so blind. So, a piece of the oh, I never noticed this here. I mean, I noticed the engine, just not the nameplate. Huh. Anyways, now that leaves the last location. Killdane Tractor Shed is what it's called. I have no clue where the fuck that is. Killdane Tractor Shed. Let's try this here. Yeah, it's figured as much. Figured as much again. Okay, hold on. There's a new location at. Okay, so there's been a little. Okay, well. Oh, okay, so here's a new location then. Alright, well. Alright, now I just gotta figure out where the hell this tractor shed is. So this is Killdane. I see a road. Yeah, I see a road. If it's gonna be somewhere around here, I'm betting there's a shed nearby. I don't want to venture too far out of Killdane. Hold on, it might. No, okay, I'm just tripping. Alright, that circles back to the rails. Does it cross? Oh, wait, it crosses. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, this here's the last part. Is it? Oh, hold on, let me check this. Let me check the list again. We found one at Kronk Scrapyard. We found one by the sheds. This is Killdane Tractor Yard. We found the ditch, wharf, and Tidmouth. Alright, just to test this out real quick. Do we... Actually, hold on. While I'm on the teleport, let me do something else real quick. I know there's another engine nearby this spot here, which is going to be another engine that I want to just knock out real quick. It should be around this area. Aha, it is. Down here? Okay, that's Timothy. So, wait, fuck. Are we missing a part then? Okay. So we definitely got. Okay, so we definitely have Timothy there if he just gave us a badge. So, am I just missing one then for Killdane? Badge. Ah, shit. Yeah. I missed one for Killdane. Fuck. All right, give me a second. Okay, I'm back. So apparently okay, I got it. Bleh. Okay, yeah, so apparently there are a few more locations I have to go to. Those should be, let's see. Okay, alright, okay, I see. So the first location we want to go to, we're going to want to jump all the way back to Tidmouth Sheds, or pretty much just spawn. I probably could just spawn a dry out instead. Hello. Anyways, yeah. Now we're gonna want to just run down this way, and over here we now have this milk box. The last piece we need is going to be down at Brendam. To be a bit more exact, actually, it's Brendam Sheds right around here. Oh, yep. I saw it for a minute. There it is. That's Killdane. Now, all right. Now during my search to find more of the Killdane parts, again the server at least, I discovered that someone else kind of found where Killdane is, or not Killdane, another engine is 1020. We're going to want to spawn all the way back at Farquhar. Go to Torrek. And then make the way, and then just go all the way up towards the windmill. Yeah. And there's a silhouette out there. Oh, yep, an owl. Press it. And that's the Ghost of Harwin. That's different. Did I just read that one? Hold on, let me check. We have Timothy, we have 1020. Oh, okay, that is 1020, gotcha. Alright, well, that's 3 engines now. Alright, 3 engines. Now, let me just see if I can just find the rest real quick. Okay, I'm back. I'm back now. I discovered the location of a few more. So one of them should be around... Yep, okay, that's right. One of the trucks for Slender engine is here. Another is apparently down at the CGI clay pit. I'll just cut to there. Alright, the second truck is going to be down here, right by this Y section, all the way at the base. Okay, I found another one. Over here in Henry's Forest, right on this arrow track here, there's another truck. Alright, the next one of these Slender engine trucks can be found over here by James's crash site. If you don't know where James's crash site is, just go down the main line. Yeah, if you don't know where James's crash site is, go over to Crosby, and then you just turn left down to the points, and that's just a straight line. You can also just go down the loop line. You can also just go through Ellsbridge and just continue straight, and it'll just loop back up over to here. All right, the next location for this truck is gonna be over here. No, not down here, but down over here this way. So if you don't know, this here is the entrance to the Torrek Dairy, right? Yeah. The next truck is gonna be kind of right outside the entrance to Torrek Dairy. You just want to go over here in the backyard, and there's the next truck. The next truck again is gonna be in the coaling plant down here, just right back here, right behind the pile of coal. And that should be a total of 6 so far. There's another truck somewhere past Krok's scrapyard. I don't know which direction it is in, actually, not gonna lie. I probably should have checked a bit more thoroughly for that there, but oh well. Let me just check Trevor's Orchard real quick here, because no, it's not here. Stupid or something? Oh no. I feel like I probably would have spotted that other one, especially with the red eye. No, I guess not. Never mind. So the next one is down here. Yeah, the other one is down here, right after the bend to Krok's scrapyard. Alright, did a bit more digging, and the last one is up here, if I can find it. Oh, I'm blind. Yeah, the last one is apparently, yep. Okay, this one is really cheeky, but the last one is down here at the... There's more! Oh my, hold on. Okay, alright, I figured out where the last truck is. So, it's gonna be at the old harbor. west of whichever direction the player spawns in, wherever the fuck west is, from what someone service said. So hold on. This is the west side of Slender, so it's like up us north, down south, and then just okay, so somewhere around. Wait, is it? Okay, nope, it's not here then. I have no fucking clue then. I don't think it's in the harbor from what they said. Yeah, cause I just saw it in the server. Apparently the location of the last strike is in Old Timoth Sheds, spawn. Yeah, it's Old Timoth. No, correction. It's in Old Timoth, whichever direction the spot, and then you play it. Let me just read the right message directly for what I got. So, to find the last truck, it's like teleport to the old harbor, go west of how your avatar spawns, follow the tracks, and there's a house or cottage or something. I don't know where the fuck that is. Like, I don't know what the fuck that means. Cause there's houses over here. Let me just turn the brightness down actually real quick. Oh shit! I didn't realize there was a fog. Huh. But anyways, there's like a house or cottage or something. It'll probably be better if I do with the lights off than I do with lights on, but since I'm having absolutely this much struggle, I'm not going to care too much. I'm not going to venture too far out. Surely it wouldn't be by the sheds, would it? Ooh, that's kind of dark. Alright, so alright, yeah, give me a second again. Let me try this again. So, Old Harbor. Wait. Did I just go to... Oh, don't tell me I've been a retard. Don't tell me I was retard. Oh my god, I'm stupid. So, it's... Okay, so Old Harbor, go west. Wait, so I spawn facing this way. Like this? Or south? And then, god damn it. Give me a second again. Okay, so strangely enough, okay, wait, hold up, that's weird. Hold up, I know if I got that truck already. I got that one already. Did it just not mark with that one? That's weird. The Slender engine. Alright, hold on. Let me do something. Just in case, I'm going to go I'm going to go all the way back to all the locations I've been at already and just make sure I got the truck for those two. There's one. That's two. I already have that one. The third one is in the coaling plant. Over down here, I have this one already. Coaling plant. So it never says clay pits. CGI clay pits. Let's go for that one real quick. No. Okay, I definitely got this one already. Okay, so my game was just fucking bugging then. Alright. More digging, I managed to find the next piece of... Correction. After doing a bit more digging, I managed to find oh my fucking god, I cannot speak. Over here at Ellisbridge, next to the good set on this box, is the smoke box for a half engine. Now we just need the last badge item. Fuck. Okay, well, okay, point is, we now just need just one last badge item, which, just to go over here to check, it's Void Thomas. Tulip, we can get Tulip. Yeah, Tulip is not exactly part of the Halloween update, but it's like Tulip is, oh my god, I cannot. Yeah, never mind. Alright, well, anyways, I think it's fitting that for this badge, at least, we use probably one of the engines to do the searching. I guess... Yeah, Timothy, I guess. This will also, I guess, just be a quick model showcase as well. Let's see. Actually, I'll throw the brightness down. Down. 6 now, I'll be fine. Oh, yes, black wheels. Alright. So, property to shape, black wheels, number 0. His number can't be toggled, it would seem. Open this cab. What's whistle? Alright. And then it's the smoke box too. No, correct, not smoke box. It's the dome to make this color or darker. No way to make you blush or anything else. Your faces, happy, smiling, breath, annoyed, sad, surprised, sleeping, angry, ghostly smile. Oh, hold on. Clenching, ghostly smile, angry ghost. Okay, annoyed ghost. This is angry ghost. Scared ghost, bloody smile, and bloody angry. I'll just put in ghostly smile for now. Alright, yep, so now the last item we need to find is the... If I can double check it real quick here. Yeah. The last item we need is the Void Thomas, which apparently is a VHS somewhere at... Oh, wait, no, wait, oh my god, wait, I should rest. It's at Farquhar, not the quarry. Whoops. Well... Alright, well, I guess we can just kind of just roll down the line here, just as like a line showcase as well. So that's slight remix of the Runaway theme. That's the police scene. That's the Toby's tightrope scene or bridge, whatever. Quite a lot of downhill widening. It's... Oh, hold on. What's down here? Oh, it's this thing. How do you... You just... Oh, okay, you just tap then. Unfortunately, it's just one way though. Alright, whoop. Alright, that's neat. That's neat. We Farquhar now. Hold on, what's this location here? Let's see. Warning, private property, trespass will be Damn. Trespass will be shot. Okay. Alright, that was not glad, bro. Bro. Not gonna lie, that is not caught me way off guard. But anyways, now we should be. Yeah. Okay, somewhere here in the far corner is gonna be the VHS, which is the last end that we'll need for now. Huh? No. Do that again. What the hell did I hit? What, was this closed? Oh, that was closed. Wait, I beg your pardon? These are physical now? Let me try this again. Okay. Apparently these things are physical now. Alright. So, VHS. I don't know where that would be. I mean, all I know is that it's just somewhere down here at the far corner. If I'm to guess, I'm probably just going to immediately guess this like station platform or something. Alright. Anyways, this year. Now this should mean that if we go over to here. Alright. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Now there is one more set of badges that I want to do real quick. Like I said, it's not exactly part of the Halloween update, but like rather than say it's part of the Far Cry update, but I feel like it's still worth my time to try and complete that part as well. So I'll just cut over to where we have to go for that. Alright, and right about here. Yeah. Actually, hold on, let me do something real quick. There we go. Yeah, okay, yeah. Anyways, actually, give me another second real quick. Be right back. Okay, right. Okay, there, I'm back now. Alright, yeah, so hold on, let me back real quick. So, goddamn, LG pastors just do this. Yeah, so right after the watermill here, there's a set of tracks where you can just rather than just continuing straight on and heading into into Maithway, you can switch the tracks down over this way, and what would originally lead to a tunnel that would have been dead end now leads over to the Maithway Quarry, which is apparently where the TK and E engines used to work at, or some of them at least. This is also apparently the same. It's apparently also the same like set of like this is like also the same set of mines that Percy used to work. No, correction, not used to work at. This is also the same set of mines that Percy has to collect some trucks from, and you have to collect the gnomes. And speaking of gnomes, that's actually the way to collect the next set of badges. So we just have to let me set it slightly brighter actually. 17.8. Good enough. Ooh, actually, hold on. Hold on. This actually isn't a bad lighting. Yeah, anyways, yeah. So, as I mentioned earlier, the gnomes are actually the next way to get the... Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, the gnomes are actually the next way to get the badges. There's a total of, like, 8 or 10 gnomes. Yeah, okay, yeah, look at this here. There's a total of 8 or 10 gnomes around the, around Maithway Quarry. Once you find them all, you're actually able to unlock some of the old TK and E rolling stop, as well as the very first version of Tulip, one of the TK and E engines. This is one of the gnomes. So now we have to go about and searching for more. They should be highlighted in blue though. So I don't. No, you're just nothing. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hold on. There it is. There's another one. There's another one. That's two. That's two. Can I zoom out real quick? I did not think that was going to work. What? So, over this way. So that's three. Four was. Ooh, ooh, that's a cheeky one. That one was cheeky. Four. Number five. I saw it for a minute. Five's here. Six is hidden around this direction. Yeah, here it is. Six. I know there was one right back over there. Let me just continue on this way, actually. I got six. Constantly rotate my camera just in case there's one more. Or another one hidden about. Anyways, this year is 7. I see a very faint trace of blue around there. If I can just like find Timothy again real quick, I'll just. Oh, here he is, Timothy. Oh, Timothy. And another rolling stock spawner. 8. And now we have him.